Okay, I forgot to hit save, so let me explain this. This program is going to check and see if you are a recent college graduate. And if you are, we're going to subtract, let's give you $1,500 off the price of the car. If you're not, you still qualify for the loan if you're employed, but you don't get the discount. And if you're not employed, you don't get discount and you don't qualify for a loan. And we're not going to give you a loan if you're not working and you can't afford the payments. And I'm going to use the dialog boxes. So the first thing I'm asking here, get the price of the car. Remember, if I'm using the GO option pan, whatever you type in here is going to show up. And when you read it, that's going to be a text. So I need now to take that. This is not here. I need to take that and parse it to make it a number. So let's see if that's what's going to happen. Forgot to save it. I'm forgetting a lot of stuff today. Enter the price of the car, $22,317. And this will take it and parse it. Now, my next question is going to be, are you employed? Or are you a college graduate? So to do that, let's start by going INT, because I'm going to use a confirm box. And confirm box is going to be a number, either 0, 1, or 2. So INT. So what are we going to write? INT, this is, are you employed or graduate? GRD for graduate, college graduate. Equals. I want to say GO option pan dot show confirm dialog. Let's put null. And for this one, I want you to say, are you a college graduate? Or did you graduate from college in the past 12 months? Question mark there first. And I should have a semicolon at the end of that. Let's see what that's going to do for me. So I typed in, did you graduate from college? I'll just put on the next line so you get to see it. Did you graduate from college in the past 12 months? It should be parentheses here. So let's save it and see what that looks like. Enter the price of the car. I'm going to give you a BMW 55,000. Click OK. And look at the option. Did you graduate from college in the past 12 months? You can say cancel, no, and yes. If you say cancel, the value of this one here will be 0. If you say no, it will be 2. If you said no, the value of grad will be 1. And if you said yes, the value of this will be 0. Yes. So I'm a college graduate. So now grad will have a value of 0 in it. And let's repeat this. We'll see if you're employed. Copy. But instead of grad here, I'm going to use EMP for employed. Integer. Are you employed? So are you currently employed? question mark. And again, you're going to type in yes, no, or cancel. And I will have the value there. So that will tell me if you are a college graduate, and that will tell me if you are employed or not. So let's see if you qualify for the special discount, $1,500 discount. So let's determine. Or check to see instead of determine. We'll say check to see. Check to see the status of your loan. Are you going to have discount or no discount, normal loan, whatever the case is. So let's first make sure you're employed. So let's check and see if you are employed. If what? If EMP equals to 0, that means you are employed. Again, that tells you 0. You typed in yes, you are employed. That means you can get a loan. If that's the case, we'll do stuff here. I'll put curly bracket to open it, curly bracket to close it. I'm not sure what I'm going to put there. I'll wait on that. I keep adding an extra one. You are employed. But if you said, no, I'm not employed, we're done with you. There's no loan for you. So let's do a message box here. JO option pen dot show message dialog. Oh, I don't want to show confirm. I want to show message. Show message. Just wondering why the show message should show up here. Dot, here we go. Show message, I don't want to type it. And again, null. So it just says sorry. You don't qualify for a loan. So let's not waste your time. Let's not waste my time. Because you're not employed. Now, if you are employed here, before we move farther, let's see if you are a recent college graduate. So let's check to see if grad, GRD, equals to 0, so what's going to happen that means yes, you are a recent college graduate, curly bracket to open it, curly bracket to close it. It says, let me just go down here and steal this line. Copy. Great. Oh, yep. You can get $1,500 off. $50 sign here. Off the price. And that's not it. Go to the next line. I'm not done typing. That says go to the next line. You also qualify for a discount on your loan. I'm going to give you a discount even on your loan. Show me that message. Well, since I'm only doing one, I really don't need the curly bracket here. I was about to do more than one thing, but I'm using the message dialog boxes. I forgot. So I don't need the curly brackets before and after. We use them if you have more than one statement. I'm not doing more than one statement. I'm doing one statement with 2 lines in it. Now keep in mind here, when we ask you, you said you employed. We said, are you a recent graduate? Well, it could be yes, no, or maybe you cancel that. So I got to check and see else here. I'm not done with you. Check to see. So here, another curly bracket to open it. Check to see if what? If grad, oh, I use GRD, equals to 1. Should be equal for an equal sign. That means what? You're not a recent graduate. That's okay. Copy. Says, well, I'm going to say, sorry, you don't qualify for a discount. Instead of can, you can't get $500 off the price, but you qualify for a discount on your loan. We'll make them feel good. So that's really considered also one statement. If you leave the curly bracket here or remove them, that's fine. It looks like 2 statements, but this is continuation of that one. So you don't need the curly brackets here, but I'll leave them since I left them there. Now the other option, what happens if the person is not a graduate? Well, he still or she still can get the loan right here because they're employed, but they don't get the discount. Now, if you want to make them pay full interest rate, you can say, okay, else for this if statement here. So as I said, I don't need really this one here. Let me just take them out just so I can move it up there. So this is part of that. So I'll go right here and I go else. So this one with this one, this if with this one, and that if and else is this one. So this one command, I just want this line. I'm not going to say sorry. I'm not even going to mention the money to them here. I'm going to say you qualify for a loan. You qualify for, not discount, for a loan. So if you're a recent college graduate, you get $1,500 off and you get some discount on your loan. If you're not a recent graduate, but you graduate from college, you don't get the $1,500, but we'll give you a discount on the loan. And this one here, no discount on the loan. And if you're not working, no loan, period. Just taking all the extra spaces out to make it look a little bit nicer. So that's really my whole program. Now, if I did it right and I run it, it should work. Now, let's see. Should, and is it going to work? That's 2 different things. Enter the price of the car. And I don't know why I asked for the price of the car because I never did anything with it. So the price of the car, $15,000. Did you graduate from college in the past 12 months? I go, no. Are you currently employed? Yes. I should ask for the employment first, because if you're not even employed, why even we asking you if you graduate from college? You're not going to get a loan. So notice once you said I'm not working, so I should reverse that one. That should be my first question, actually. I'm going to read that to the whole program. Are you employed first? If you said yes, I'm going to come down here. If you are employed, I'm going to change the program. Now we're talking about writing a better program. Then ask them if they're recent graduate. Don't waste their time. Ask them if they're recent graduate if they don't qualify for the loan. So let me take this one out and let me put it, only ask that question if we know you are employed and you can get a loan. Cut. So now ask for it here inside that loop. Once you know it, once we know the person is actually is employed, let's ask them if they're recent graduate. And as I said, I never did anything with the price of the car. It's silly there, you know. I can do this because you're going to subtract 1,500. So next line, let's do this. Instead of you qualify, let's give you the new price. Great. Car price, or the price of the car is $. And let's do here, before I go to the next line, double print that statement, plus take the word, okay, let's go to the next line so you get to see it. Take the price of the car now, price, and we said we're going to subtract from it minus 1,500. And I want to put a /n here to go to the next line. I want to say you also qualify for a discount on your loan. There's one little problem with this. I don't know if you thought about it or not. What happened if the price of the car is less than 1,500? According to this math equation, they're going to owe you money. So maybe what you want to do, check to see if the price of the car is more than 1,500. Maybe you only give you the discount if the price of the car is more than 600, you know, or 6,000, that's 600, 6,000 or 10,000. So you can do an if statement there. I'll leave it here. I'm going to assume these are new cars, and there's no new car is going to be 1,500 bucks. Here, the price of the car is, so I'm changing that a little bit there. Copy. You can't get discount, or we'll just say the price of the car is, we'll just put the price there. The price of the car is, close that, add to that the price. So print that statement, and also print the price without the discount. Yep. And go to the next line and tell them /n, next line. You also qualify for a discount on your loan And this one, I'm just saying you qualify for a loan. You can put the price of the car, but that's a better program now. Again, we're not wasting time asking you if we know you're unemployed. Yep, I forgot that little part too. Cancel. So notice right here, why we asking if you're not qualified. So let me cut that one. Only ask these questions if we know the person is employed. The person can get a loan. So where is that? Right here inside that loop. So these two, it doesn't really matter which one you ask first. If you ask, are you a college graduate first, or what's the price of the car? Either way, it doesn't matter. Let's save this one. And let's see if this one's working now. Are you currently employed? Yes. If I said no, watch, it kicks me out. Sorry, you don't qualify for a loan. Done. No asking for the price, no asking for anything else. Are you currently employed? No. It will ask me for the price of the car. Oh. I got to copy both of these lines. I'm glad we checked it. So let's ask for both of these now. Copy both of them and put them if you are not employed. You are not a college graduate. The same thing. Yep. If you're not a college graduate, oh, we already asked that question. Let me see what happened here. Let me just undo the last piece. I need to stop and look at it. I think the original program was working. I clicked the wrong button. Are you currently employed? If you say no, it's a waste of time, so it's going to kick me out. Let me say yes. Did you graduate from college? Let's say yes. Enter the price of the car, $25,000. So my price is going to be $23,500. Here we go. Great. The price of the car is $23,500. You qualify for a discount on your loan. Now let's run it again for the other option. Are you employed? Yes. Are you a college graduate in the past 12 months? No. Enter the price of the car, $25,000. Sorry, because you're not getting discount. The price of the car is $25,000 for you. But you qualify for a discount on your car. And what happens if you run it again? Are you employed? Yes. Did you graduate from college in the past? I said cancel. Ask me for the price of the car, but I didn't print it there in that case there. I never mentioned anything about the price. I just said you also qualify for a loan. And that's the last one. You want to put the price, you can. So the program actually was working. I don't know what I clicked on before. So this one here just says you qualify for the loan. And that's how we use the if statement. That's called nested if, an if within an if. Again, be smart. You don't want to ask the price of the car, a recent graduate, if you are unemployed. If you're unemployed, we're not giving you a loan. So why am I wasting your time and my time asking the other questions?